You know, babawi lang yun, no? Babawi tayo. Si Enzo. Enzo would like to give you something else, okay? This is gonna be something special. Okay.
Research nga rin yung doon.
Ayan.
Naguri na tayo ng nalik.
Alright, sige tayo. Alright. Dito, lulog ka lang ulit. Sige.
Kaya yung flash mo, nag-flash ka.
Ayan.
Layo naman.
Enzo. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we offer several opportunities for you to meet our dolphins up close and personal. And if you want this once-in-a-lifetime experience, all you gotta do is ask for friendly contacts right after the show. Yes. Okay?
Kaya nyo ito
Ano sa experience?
Kaya nyo ito
Ano?
Okay na ba sa
yung mga harap.
Pero, ginawa ko yung nagpatuloy ko yung back.
Saksayin, kasanod din.
Okay. Kain na fish. Anong okay. No worry. You know what? Trainers all over the world, they have this technique na ginagamit para maalis yung bansa. Ganito na gagawin nyo, no? Just stick out your hand like this. And shake mo lang. That's what you don't have to do that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, how about a round of applause for Hart for being such a great guest and great work. Oh, you what? Ah, yes. I think you're like your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you so much. Okay, now, moving on. See, here at Ocean Adventure, we use positive reinforcement to train our animals. And that means they get something they like for doing all the great behaviors that you've seen today. And I have a question. Can you answer this for me? What is your favorite reward? Fish. Yes, that's right. And you know what? They get lots of it. Top quality fish every day. So guys, can you show everyone how much they love fish? Yeah, let's try the small fish right there. Right size, no? Yes? No? Okay. Maybe you should add some more. Let's make it a big bunch. Yeah, there you go. How about that, guys? But of course, we're just kidding. See, our training here is really based on trust, and we develop a very special bond with our animals. And right now, our trainers are going to show you just that. They're going to join the dolphins in the water, give you a fantastic display of water ballet. So watch and enjoy.
Wow! Yan. Sakay niya.
Bago pa rin nilinis na. Sino yun? Gawas pre. Nakita si Gwen. Namula ba? Hindi mo lalo.
Pagka di kaya nag-underfit